Okay, we're back in part 3 now. Remember to watch all of them so you actually know what's like going on. I'm gonna just sleep on the sofa. Does that make it quicker? Because this eye closing thing's really annoying. He's like, close your eyes and then open. Did it go viral, Chain? Nope. We just lost 1 million subscribers. Wake up, guys. We just hit 10 million views and 1 million subscribers. This means we got the gold play button. Yeah. This is crazy. We are so famous now. The next step is 10 million subscribers for the diamond play button. Yep. Sure. That's a long road ahead of us. Yep, very long. 1 million times 1 times 10 equals the thing. Let's go back on a live stream and see all the fans on. I never do live streams. I normally just read the comments and then do it. Hi Vlog Squad, I'm your biggest fan. Are you? Would you ever do an in-person meet and greet with your fans? No! We would not do that. Chain, I think that's a good idea. Oh, a great idea. We can finally meet all of our fans in person. Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that. Alright, fans. We will do a live meet and greet at 5 o'clock today. Come meet with us. We will just go and say hi and answer some questions. Wow. Okay, guys. This room's full of fans. Don't be nervous. I'm the only person here. Follow me. No thanks. It's not really full of fans. There's like 5 people. Welcome, Vlog Squad fans. We are so happy to meet you all. Okay. Cool. We will start with some questions from you guys. Ask your questions. Why did you guys start a YouTube channel? We watched YouTube loads to bring our fans awesome videos. I'm just going to be the nice thing instead of money. What's your favourite thing about being YouTubers? Ooh, he seems kind of rude. Question. I don't know what that is, but will there be videos soon? Say, if there's a yes, we want to hit 10 million subscribers next. Yeah, for the diamond play button. Whoa, there's some people on the top floor. We have a problem. Plan to block the garage. It's not safe for you guys to leave that way. Don't tell me there's another Robbie. Yeah. We have to get home. Well, we'll take it. Okay, well, it's safer than nothing. Jeez, this is dangerous. Where's Chain? The music's kind of loud. Dude, the music was kind of loud. What a crazy event. It was awesome but scary at the same time. Yeah, I'd say so. Let's record each other. Yeah, because we just been recording videos though. For now. Yeah. I love it in this pool. Except you can't swim in it. Yeah, that's the only thing I hate. Oh yes! Okay, we completed the game, guys. This is crazy. Yeah. Yay! Okay, guys, that was the part 3, I think it was, or 4. I think it was part 3. I hope you enjoyed today's videos. I've made loads of videos of this now, and I'll see you. Maybe soon, probably, because I'm making another video today. Peace, everyone.